हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू डिजाइन बाय मिशा। हमारा घर वो जगह जहां हम दिन भर के काम से थक हार के पहुंचते हैं टू रिलैक्स एंड अनवाइंड। तभी तो किसी ने सही कहा है, होम इज वेयर द हार्ट इज। इट्स एन इमोशनल स्पेस, राइट? Where you can be yourself, where you can tell your story, and somewhere you surround yourself with those stories. If you are nodding your head कि yes मिश्रा आप सही कह रहे हो, then मेरे पास आपके लिए एक great news है। But वो बताने से पहले please subscribe to my channel ताकि आने वाले टाइम में आपको और भी इंटरेस्टिंग इंटीरियर रिलेटेड वीडियोस और अपडेट्स मिलते रहें और मुझे भी थोड़ा मोटिवेशन मिल जाएगा ना टू कम अप विद डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट ओनली फॉर यू। अच्छा, गुड न्यूज ये है कि आपको H&M फैशन के बारे में तो पता ही होगा। इट्स अ गो टू शॉपिंग डेस्टिनेशन फॉर फास्ट फैशन। बट क्या आपको पता है H&M होम के बारे में? जी हाँ, H&M Home. It is the store for home goods section that is here in Delhi. It was inaugurated recently at Ambience Mall, Vasant Kunj. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना एक छोटा सा ट्रिप कर लिया जाए to share glimpses of that store. तो चलो देर किस बात की है, देखते हैं। Basically, it's a store dedicated to home decor, and whatever your home aesthetic is, minimalist with earthy hues or maximalist with the bright and playful print, it doesn't matter. You will get everything you desire, whether it be serving and tableware, curtains and cushions, mats and towel set, or racks and basket for storage. You will surely gonna get something for your nest. Even its digital store is available on hm.com and through the e-commerce platform Myntra. The idea behind H&M Home seems to be fashion for your home. The assortment ranges from high quality bed linen and timeless dinnerware to diversified textiles with contemporary style and attention to detail at its core can be seen here. These baskets and boxes are perfect for those items you want in reach but not in your face. They even have amazing range of ceramics. You can see a strong connection with natural materials such as wood and linen over here, which works for everyone. You will see wide selection of on-trend linens, storage, kitchenware and other decorative accessories. They have actually tried to merge modern design with amazing quality and sustainable materials. And I'm telling you guys, H&M Home enables interior lovers to create a personal and modern space to feel at home. Whether you are a minimalist or a maximalist, you will find something that fits in perfectly with your home. So we all know that there is no place like home, and that sentiment feels so special over here in H&M. दो चीजें जो मैंने अपने लिए बाय की हैं वो है ये एक वास which I really loved it, and the second thing is these mats which I want to decorate on my center table along with this vase. Basically, it's all about how we want our home to look and feel, but surely it gets created by time. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.